This is Bondy here. This is his bike. This is a Eastern. I don't know what it is, but I know it's an Eastern. I think it's a Grim Reaper. And there's normal. There's a pivotal seat off a Sub Rosa. McNeil. He's got mongoose bars at the front. Also, there's his stem Eastern to show off the gorgeous badge. He's got an Hoffman front rim with a Kenda tyre. He's got a Crazy Bob back tyre with a nice hub, which we don't know what it is yet. We've also got the 25 sprocket with the 9. As you notice, here's his pedals, which are welly go. Then there's his sprocket again.
Federal.
It's a Federal sprocket. Eastern normal pedal arms.